Hello everyone, I'm Santiago Patiño and I'm going to tell you about a very important topic, and this is the state of the water and natural resources in Colombia. Also, I'm going to tell you how they are being affected by two important things, and this is the climate change and the global warming, and how as a normal citizen, can do something to mitigate the effects of that. Also, I'm going to tell too what can we do, what can companies do, what can industries do, and also the government to support the idea of mitigate the effects of the climate change and the global warming. After that, I have something important to say, and this is that Colombia is a beautiful country with so much diversity and abundant water resources. For example, in abundant water resources, we have rivers, we have lakes, we have beautiful aquariums, etc. And in biodiversity, we have so much species, we have beautiful landscapes, etc. However, these things unnamed are in danger for bad practices that maybe companies, industries, the government, and we as citizens are doing. Bad practices that maybe I'm going to talk later. With these bad practices, we are creating something called climate change and global warming. But the global warming is more created by the greenhouse gases effect and the pollution of that. But in the case of the state of the water, the climate change and global warming are altering precipitation patterns. For example, they are causing droughts in some regions and droughts in some regions, and torrential rains in others. Radical climate change, for example, in Pereira, we have a hotter sun in the morning, and in the afternoon we have a hard rain, and etc. I have something important, and this not only affects the water availability, but also increase the risk in the rural areas, for example, increase the risk of natural disasters like floods and landslides. But the impacts are not only limited to rural areas. In the urban centers, some bar centers like Pereira are facing challenges with water supplies and the quality of the potable water. For example, the industrial activities, in the case of the companies, industrial activities, the pollution, but pollution more related with cars, with the citizens, with the pollution created by big companies, etc. And the overextraction may be created by the plans of the government, and the overextraction of water are erasing our resources. So, with that idea of the state of the water in Colombia and the natural resources, so the water resources, what can we do? What can I do as a citizen, well, as a normal citizen? Okay, every one of us can make a difference. For example, adopting sustainable practices in our home, conserving water, washing the car with recycled water, for example. Another important thing is save the water when we are heating, where we are heating that, and participating in reforestation and cleanup projects, reduce the garbage that we are creating, etc., etc. Every small action, inclusively in the house, in our houses, and in our works, counts. In the case of the companies and industries, it's very important to say that the companies and industries play a crucial role in the environmental protection, and the companies and industries can adopt sustainable practices such as reducing emissions, recycling waters, investing in green technologies. Maybe they can adopt so many sustainable practices to reduce their footprint of carbon, and with that they can significantly reduce their environmental impact. And of course, the government in this case has an important role in creating policies and regulations that protect our natural resources. Also, an important thing that the governments can do, and this thing also is in course in so many countries, and this is the renewable energies. Investing in renewable energies is very important. Enforcing environmental laws is very important, and promoting conservation initiatives are essential steps. With like a conclusion, together we can make a difference. Together, I talk again about companies, industries, and citizens. Working collectively as business, government, citizens, we can protect the Colombia's precious water and natural resources for the future generations and to us. And we have to take action to secure a sustainable and resilient future for our beautiful country like Colombia.